Hello and welcome to TechCool. Today we're going to be making Windows look like Mac with a patcher and My Dock Finder. Basically, it's not going to turn into a Mac, but it's just going to look like that on the visual end. Okay, let's get into it. So the first thing you need to do is go to this GitHub link. It's on the description and it should be here as well. This GitHub link right here. You can copy and paste it from the description or just type it out from here. Once you're at that link, it should take you to a window like this, GitHub, and here's the project, and you'll see that all the files that we're gonna need today are right here. All you're gonna need to do is go to the final package, and you can get either the source code or this package. Quickly download it, click download, just click on it, and head over to your downloads, and it should have downloaded right here. So when you open it, you just need to extract it, and then you need to do either you have two things you need to do. Go to 7TSP icon theme. That's the first thing we need to do. This is our patcher. It makes File Explorer look like Mac's Finder. If you can see here, see how File Explorer looks like Finder here. And just click on the GUI. It's asking me to extract. And it should open up to this. Open this, go back to 7TSP icon theme, and click on the GUI. It'll ask you for administrative permission. Give it permission. And this is where it's basically gonna make your laptop unusable for like a minute or so. And I've provided the 2 resource packs, which we're gonna be using Big Sur for our custom pack. When you click add a custom pack, gonna go to downloads, go to this folder, and go to our 7TSP icon theme. Then we're gonna see our 2 resource packs. You don't need 7-zip for this. This is just for the apps because it's 7-zip compatibility. So select your mode, dark mode or light mode, and just click open. And then it'll add up to this. It'll say something like select a pack right here. And then just click start patching. And if you realize you don't like this, just reselect the pack that you installed and click restore, which means it'll restore what Windows originally looked like. So after that, your File Explorer should look like mine. Go back and go into My Dock. Once you're in My Dock, all you need to do is grab this folder and drag it into your local disk. See, I've already done that. So open the folder, and it depends what system you're running, if you're running 64-bit or 32-bit. If you're running 64-bit, run this file, and it will open up something like this. So let me just show you how it looks when you open it up. Click end the program, and you can see my top bar disappeared, and my bottom dock disappeared, but my taskbar appeared. Click dock 64. You can see my dock came up and back to what it usually was. Yeah, that's basically it. Then you can adjust your preferences. You can adjust your preferences from here to be light, dark, or auto, or just the system. You can change your color. You can change a lot of things here and how it looks and stuff. You can't change the language because I have deleted the lang file. But yeah, you can change a lot of stuff. Yeah, that's basically it. Then your computer will now look like a Mac, hopefully. Won't behave like one, but it should look like one. Okay, that's the video. See you later.